Lightroom in Photoshop. Using the camera raw filter. How are you guys? Welcome to Photographer's Arena. Friends, now we will learn how to use the features of Adobe Lightroom, such as brightness or contrast settings, HSL sliders, using presets and also the curves in Adobe
Photoshop.
So, now we have this unedited photo. To follow with me, check the link in the description. As we see, the photo looks blown out with less exposure. Can we fix them in
Photoshop?
Yes. Using the camera raw filter. To use this, go to filters and select the camera raw filter. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus A in Windows or Command plus Shift plus A in a Mac. Boom. We got it. Now you can use the basic features of Adobe Lightroom such as brightness or contrast settings, HSL sliders, using presets and also the curves directly in Adobe
Photoshop.
I am showing you 3 examples.
A few moments later.
For more videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you get notifications of all our new, upcoming, crazy content.